Thinking about moving your custom-built store to Shopify? SlashCart is an award-winning Shopify Plus migration expert, the perfect choice to help you convert your existing stores to Shopify or Shopify Plus. We'll handle everything and make your migration to Shopify simple and easy. Whether you are doing direct-to-consumer, D2C, business, B2B, wholesale, or point-of-sale, SlashCart specialized migration services provide a smooth, risk-free transition. We are experts in successfully integrating your custom-built store with Shopify. Our migration team handles everything from data migration to post-migration support, providing a smooth transition without any headaches for you. Let's break down the SlashCart migration process into 4 main steps. Data migration, SEO preservation, post-migration support, security assurance. At SlashCart, we start with a complete audit of your existing custom-built website, analyzing its structure, data, and functionality. Our experienced team then creates a detailed migration plan, ensuring a seamless transition to Shopify Plus. We optimize every aspect of your site to match the capabilities of Shopify Plus, empowering your business for future success. Let's see data migration. Our migration experts will migrate all your existing custom-built website data to your new Shopify website. This includes product details, collections or categories, all existing orders, customer and customer groups, CMS pages, gift cards and coupons, reviews, and SEO preservation. Our team will carefully manage the data export and import procedures, guaranteeing zero data loss and a smooth transition. We take special care to preserve the integrity of your data, ensuring everything is migrated accurately. The migration will be hassle-free and smooth, with zero downtime for your existing website. In SEO preservation, we ensure all data is accurately transferred without any issues, preserving your SEO value and maintaining your hard-earned search engine rankings throughout the migration process. Following the migration, SlashCart extends comprehensive post-migration support. This includes rigorous functionality testing, bug resolution, and staff training. Our priority is to ensure your website's seamless transition to the new platform. Our migration team promptly responds to any concerns or issues that may arise, with the goal of maintaining a smooth operation and empowering your team to make the most of the new platform for continued success. Finally, we have security assurance. At SlashCart, the security of your data is paramount. We use advanced SSL encryption and comply with industry regulations to protect your information during the migration. Our team also conducts regular security audits to ensure that your new Shopify site remains safe from potential threats. Are you wondering why moving to Shopify is so easy? Let's explore what our expert team migrates for you. Our team ensures that no data is left behind. We transfer everything from products and customers to orders and content. Here's a detailed look at what we handle. Product data. This includes all the essential details about your products to help with a seamless transition. This includes product descriptions, prices, images, and variants. Product descriptions contain all the text associated with your products. Product categories. Categories help organize your store's inventory, making it easier for customers to find what they are looking for. Orders. A complete order history, including order status and customer information, is essential for order management and customer service. Our team migrates all historical order data so you can track and manage past orders, handle returns or exchanges, and provide excellent customer service. The focus of our team is on the fact that your operations run smoothly without losing any important data. Comprehensive customer data, including contact details and purchase history, is crucial for personalized marketing and customer relationship management. This data includes name, email address, phone number, and address, as well as past order histories. We guarantee that all customer information is accurately transferred, so you can continue to provide personalized service and marketing to your existing customer base on Shopify. Customer groups are segmented groups of customers created for targeted marketing campaigns. These groups can be based on various criteria such as purchasing behavior, geographic location, or customer preferences. By transferring these groups, SlashCart allows you to continue targeting specific segments with tailored marketing efforts, ensuring that your marketing strategies remain effective and relevant. Content Management System, CMS pages, such as About Us, Contact, FAQ, and other informational pages are vital for providing important information to your customers. Our migration team transfers all these pages to Shopify, making sure that your store's content remains consistent and informative. This helps maintain your brand's voice and provides your customers with the information they need. Gift cards and coupons. All active promotions, such as gift cards and coupons, are seamlessly transferred to ensure consistency in your marketing efforts. Gift cards allow customers to make purchases using pre-loaded amounts, while coupons provide discounts and special offers. We assure that all these promotions are migrated without any issues, so your customers can continue to benefit from ongoing deals and you can maintain your marketing strategies with ease. Customer reviews and ratings that are critical for maintaining social proof and credibility. SlashCart transfers all customer reviews, including star ratings and written feedback. This data is vital for preserving your store's reputation and trustworthiness. Potential customers often rely on reviews to determine the quality of products and services. By ensuring that all reviews are migrated accurately, we help in maintaining your online credibility and customer trust. SEO preservation involves transferring all SEO settings, including meta titles, descriptions, and URLs to maintain your site's search engine visibility. SlashCart ensures that these settings are accurately migrated, so your new Shopify store retains its search engine rankings and continues to attract organic traffic. This is crucial for maintaining your online presence and driving traffic to your store. Are you ready to experience the power of Shopify? With SlashCart as your partner, migrating from a custom-built platform to Shopify will be a smooth and successful journey. So what are you waiting for? If you want to migrate your custom-built website to Shopify or Shopify Plus, contact SlashCart today. Thank you.